So, folks, February is American Heart Month. You might not think red meat can be very heart healthy, but we've got some recipes this morning that may surprise you. Angie Horkan with the Wisconsin Beef Council is here to help us out. Hey, Angie.
Good morning. Happy Friday.
This looks really good. This is another one of those easy recipes that comes together pretty quick. And if you do it right, we don't have to worry about our heart.
Exactly, yeah. So it's one of our certified recipes with the American Heart Association, so it fits into our heart-healthy diet, heart-healthy lifestyle. And the recipe's called a beef tri-tip with roasted peppers and sweet potatoes.
Yum.
And it's like a sheet pan meal. So you can do it in a big, yeah, exactly. Put everything on the sheet pan, less dishes.
That's my thing.
Exactly. So in the oven, 425 degrees. Now, tri-tip is not a super popular cut yet in the Midwest. They eat a lot of it out in California.
Okay.
They smoke it, make sandwiches, a lot. But we're starting to see it here in our supermarkets. It's actually a bottom sirloin. Looks like a boomerang.
Okay.
A triangle. That's why it's
Keep
called
an eye out
the
for
tri-tip.
those
But my supermarket didn't have them, so I substituted in just a nice sirloin tip roast or sirloin roast.
Last half hour, you told us the key words to look for when picking out our cuts of meat if we're thinking about our heart.
Right, round and loin.
Rounds and loins.
Loins, so look for that. But there are other cuts like flank steak and then of course the lean ground beef and other cuts. But if you look for a round or loin, it's a good deal. So what I did was in a food processor, I mixed together some Italian dressing and then some jarred sun-dried tomatoes and a little water.
Okay.
Use a third of that on your veggies. I did 2 large sweet potatoes, peeled them and kind of did a really big dice. And then 2 red peppers. Tossed those with a third of this sun-dried tomato Italian dressing. And then also rubbed the roast with that the next third of the marinade mixture.
Nice.
And then save some to drizzle over the top at the end.
So put it on before you put it in the oven, and then save some, put a little bit on after. Oh, and a nice
Put a nice meat thermometer.
Garnish
the
there.
Oven safe meat thermometer in your roast. Now these leaner roasts, you don't want to overcook.
Okay.
So you want a nice medium, yes, take a bite. So use your meat thermometer, 135, 140 for medium rare. Let them rest like you do your nice premium steaks. Let it sit, tent it with oil, let it sit 10, 15 minutes. A little Parmesan cheese if you like.
Very nice.
Yeah.
The flavor with that sauce.
Is it good?
Yeah. You said it was Italian dressing,
and
some sun-dried tomatoes and some water.
That's it.
Boom.
Yeah, not many ingredients, but start to finish, this will take about an hour and a half because a roast like this took me about 50 minutes. And the veggies take a little bit, 425 degree oven. But like we said, a 1-pan meal.
There you go.
You can still whip this up on a weeknight.
Toss it in and then check on it every once in a while. You're good to go.
Beeftips.com, we have 20 American Heart Association certified recipes for you to check out. We showed 2 of them today, so.
Good stuff. Beeftips.com. Angie, thanks.
Of course.